Best indoor plants for low light, easy houseplants that thrive without sun. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the best indoor plants for low light conditions. If you live in an apartment, have small windows, or rooms that don't get much direct sunlight, this video is perfect for you. Many people think plants cannot survive without strong sunlight, but that is not true. There are several beautiful houseplants that can grow very well even in low-light areas. Let's explore them and also understand how to care for them properly. First, it's important to understand what low light really means. Low light does not mean no light. It means a room with indirect light, filtered light, or a space a few feet away from a window. Even low-light plants still need some natural brightness to survive. Now let's start with one of the most popular low-light plants. The snake plant is one of the toughest indoor plants. It can tolerate low light, irregular watering, and even some neglect. Its upright, sword-shaped leaves make it perfect for modern home decoration. Snake plants also help improve indoor air quality. Water it only when the soil is completely dry. Next is Pothos. Pothos is a beautiful trailing plant that grows easily in low to medium light. It is perfect for hanging baskets or shelves. It grows quickly and is very forgiving if you forget to water occasionally. Just make sure the soil is well draining. Another excellent choice is the ZZ plant. The ZZ plant has thick, glossy leaves and can survive in very low light. It stores water in its roots, so it does not need frequent watering. In fact, overwatering is the biggest mistake people make with this plant. Now let's talk about peace lily. Peace lilies can tolerate low light and also produce elegant white flowers. They prefer slightly moist soil but not soggy conditions. If the leaves start drooping, it usually means the plant needs water. Spider plant is another great indoor option. Spider plants are easy to grow and adapt well to indoor environments. They produce small baby plants that you can propagate easily. They prefer bright indirect light but can still manage in lower light conditions. Now let's discuss some important care tips for all low-light plants. First, avoid overwatering. In low light, soil dries more slowly. Always check the top layer of soil before watering. Second, clean the leaves occasionally. Dust can block light absorption. Gently wipe the leaves with a damp cloth. Third, rotate your plant every few weeks so that all sides receive equal light. This helps balanced growth. Fourth, do not expect very fast growth. Plants in low light grow more slowly compared to those in bright sunlight. This is normal. If you notice yellow leaves, check your watering routine. If the plant becomes very leggy, it may need slightly more light. Low-light plants are perfect for bedrooms, offices, bathrooms, and living rooms with limited sunlight. They add freshness, beauty, and a calming atmosphere to your home. You don't need a bright balcony or garden to enjoy greenery. With the right plant choices and simple care, you can successfully grow beautiful indoor plants even in low-light conditions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other plant lovers. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.